Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can find your Facebook username as well as your Facebook user ID. Don't forget to put a like before you start watching this video, friends. Also subscribe to the channel and please write your comments. Well, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, please open the Facebook app on your device. Now go to your account, then 3 dots, and now scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Here you'll see the copy profile link function, and underneath that you'll see a link to your profile. And the last 2 words will be your username. In my case it is, as you can see, Lyra and then the last name. To find your user ID, go to the menu and then press the gear. Now scroll down to the bottom here and go to the section called Apps and Websites. Next, go to any of the apps that you have connected to Facebook. Let's say in my case it's going to be Pinterest, and you're going to scroll down here. You'll need to find this option right here. It's a user ID that you can just click and copy, and then go to the appropriate application to paste that user ID and link it to Facebook. That's how quick and easy, friends, you will be able to find your Facebook username as well as your user ID. I really hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you around, friends.